Hey, Broanna, get in here. We have something to tell you. Listen now, guys. Today we're bringing a new microwave today, and we need your help. Okay, let's do it. Yeah, let's go, everyone. Wait. Alright guys, we're here at the store. Now let's go get the new microwave. Okay, now Breanna. What? Do it. I dare you. Silly me. Now let's go get the microwave. Ooh, right there. Okay, great idea. Alright guys, so what do you want to put in there? How about we just put in some, I know, come on, how about we put some popcorn in there? Okay, let me get the popcorn. I'm gonna throw Breanna in it. Broanna Jenkins, how dare you? How dare you throw your baby brother Breanna in the microwave, killing him? That's it. You're grounded. You're grounded for 100 years. As for him, we don't put Breanna the baby in the microwave. Go here now. Oh!